foundation degree in Salon Management really focuses on management skills that are essential for business enterprise. The course concentrates on behaviours that are required for understanding both staff and consumers to the industry, and there's a strong focus on marketing and business finance and all of those elements that are really required for somebody coming in to manage within the salon industry.
I'm enjoying it because there's like a practical element to it as well, so you get to learn new skills. I've enjoyed the fact that it's split into modules, so like every different module you learn something different. It's more in depth than just studying a practical based course.
Well, unlike other business and management programmes at higher education level, this has a salon focus, so it makes it more contextualised to the learning for our industry. We have fully equipped hairdressing salons, beauty salons and spa facilities so that learners can have an all-encompassing idea of what it's like to work in the full area. So learners who are coming with hairdressing background get an insight to the beauty industry, so when they do go on then and work in a salon or spa management scenario, they've got a full all-rounded view of the industry offer.
Quite phenomenal actually. I've seen a few colleges and very high standards. Everything is open. People can go past and look into salons, same as the beauty. I do like it. A bit too much I think. But no, it is good, and you meet a nice new range of people. As I said, it's the other students, the staff, anyone is welcome here.
The tutors are good, they're really supportive. I mean, lots of us within the course are either working or have children, so it's quite hard to sort of think when you're in college about questions you want to ask, so we can email them. They usually respond even outside the college hours, which is quite helpful if you're sort of studying late into the night. I felt that I had a lack of confidence with my own academic writing and the way in which I studied. My confidence has improved, especially with the way in which I write. I'm doing pretty well as well, so I'd recommend it to everyone. Because it's that higher level, it's inspired me to carry on going, and it's also made me realise I actually can achieve it.
If you're going to do it, do it. Because if you don't do it, you'll always wonder.
Without doing it and without taking that dive, you'll never get anywhere further. So come onto the course and really help yourself to get the maximum of your potential.